Welcome back, everyone. Hope you fine and healthy at your place. Till now, we have completed session 1 working with accessibility options, session 2 network fundamental, session 3 instant messaging. Today, we will start session 4, that is web blog. A web blog or a blog is a combination of the words web blog. It is an online process where an individual can share knowledge and allow the readers to comment on the post. Let's learn it thoroughly. What is a blog? Who is a blogger? And what is a blogging? A blog is a frequently updated online personal journal or diary where a person can log, write, or post information related to his interest or activity, express his idea or opinion, or share his knowledge through writing. And the person who will read it can also do comment or share views over the topic. The person who writes a blog is called a blogger. There are free as well as paid blogging platforms such as WordPress, Blogger, and Wix. A blog is a kind of website. That term blog is the shortened form of weblog, and the activity of updating or writing for blog is called blogging. There are blogs maintained by individuals or by some companies. There are different types of blog such as personal blog. This is the most common type of blog. Maximum numbers of blog on the internet belong to this category. After all, blogging started off as well as a way of creating an online diary. Next is news and views. This type of blog contain a factual stories about news maintained by journalists. News and television companies such as BBC have many professional journalists who post stories and views about the latest events. Third is company blogs. Many companies run blogs to let their customers and clients know what is going on its company. The that would interest client and customer, such as a new product coming up or progress being made by on some project. Next is microblogs. This is a new type of blog where one can post very short comments that others can follow, such as in Twitter. Twitter is the best example of microblog where one can only post 280 characters. 280 character means only can post 280 words with each entry called a tweet. The entries become a running commentary about one's life or interest. Next is there are two type of blogging that can be done. First is online blogging, where a person write a blog then publish or post on a blogging site online is called online blogging, such as WordPress, Blogger, Tumblr, and Weebly. Next is offline blogging, where a person can create or manage blog without internet connection called offline blogging. Once editing process is complete, the person can publish it with the help of internet connection. Some offline blog editors are BlogJet, Word, BlogDesk, and Window Live Writer. So now we will learn the features of blog. The feature of blog first is a blog can be written offline and uploaded on the internet when connection is available. A blogger can interact with the readers by answering their question and also by updating contents regularly. Next is to write a blog, we need a blogging tool that are available online as well as offline also. Blogs can be written on any topic. Blogs contain text, image, video, and any graphic too. Blogs can have more than one page or front page is posted at the last. Now, blogging application online such as WordPress and Blogger. Blogging application offline such as Windows Live Writer and BlogJet. So, in the second part of this session, you will learn to host a online blog in WordPress and a Blogger.